Artificial intelligence is transforming how we work, create, and collaborate. Generative AI tools are changing the very landscape of creativity, from how we generate ideas to how we build, test, and share them.
When planning research, AI is most useful not as a source of answers, but as a thought partner for generating better questions. You can share your design challenge and draft research questions and ask, what am I missing? What perspectives aren't included? What other questions should I be asking? Used this way, AI becomes a springboard, helping you explore tangents and expand your thinking beyond the most obvious dimensions.
At IDEO, prototyping is how we bring our ideas to life. It's not just one step in the process, it's a mindset, a way of working and thinking. And a prototype is the tangible embodiment of a question. And AI opens up new ways to get to that tangibility faster, allowing us to visualize directions, communicate concepts, explore new possibilities.
Most people use AI to summarize research, but its real strength is helping us uncover patterns inside messy human data. We'll focus on how AI can support, not replace, the uniquely human skills at the heart of research: sense-making, empathy, and judgment. The result isn't just faster research, it's a deeper understanding.